Owners Babylon. The problem is like mirror. 누가 영사에 get it on. Yeah. Black mirror. 소리 없이 잠든 꿈을 찾고 있어. 어제부턴가 난 길을 잃었어. 내 마음이 가냐? 밤에 떠났지 우리들만의 파도까지 붉게 우린 너무 많아.
Hey everybody, thank you guys so much for stopping by. Just wanted to take a quick moment to introduce myself as well as some of the content that you can find here on this channel. I'll give you guys a little bit of information about me and who I am as far as my dance experience or my resume, if you will. If you don't care about that and you just want to know what you're going to see on the channel, feel free to skip ahead. So for those of you who don't know, my name is Jin, Kim for what it's worth. I grew up most of my life here in the San Francisco Bay Area, and I've been dancing for about 12, 13 years now. Wow, I'm old. Huh? I started back in 2008 when I was a senior in high school, which is relatively late, right? But you know, for me, I found dance and I just absolutely fell in love with it. And for the last 5 or 6 years or so, I've been teaching. I teach a weekly open class here in San Francisco. It's every Friday evening, and I tend to do a mixture of K-pop covers as well as my own original choreography. So separately from my weekly K-pop class that I teach, I do also work as a professional hip-hop dancer. I've done a bunch of commercial work here and there. You can actually find me in the pilot of a certain TV show on Hulu. So now for the important stuff and probably the reason why you're actually here. So at a high level, the main purpose of this channel is of course for me to teach you guys dance tutorials, right? I want to be able to create really easy to follow and understand tutorials for how to do all your favorite K-pop dances. The reason my channel is going to be different than what you've seen before is that we're going to take things a step further. What that means is, more so than just learning counts and steps and pictures and everything like that, we're going to dive deeper into the actual dance. We're going to learn how certain dances should feel. We're going to learn how to control not only our bodies, but our performance. And honestly, most importantly, we're going to have some fun, because that's what dance is all about. So as far as what to expect from this channel, of course we're going to have dance tutorials and dance covers. Beyond that, what we're going to have is advice. If there's any topics that you guys want to talk about as far as, let's call it dance theory. I myself love talking about dance and all the different facets of it, how it affects our lives, and what it takes to be a good dancer. I want to be able to have these discussions with you all and provide all that information for you, answer any questions that you might have, and just essentially create a community. My main goal for this channel is to create a space for all of us to level up our dancing. And I say us because I mean it. It's not just you that's learning from this. As I go through this process, it helps me learn, it helps me become a better dancer, and we're all just growing together. And that's really what it's about, right? Growth. As much as we're here just to learn K-pop dance and to have fun and enjoy ourselves, we're growing as individuals. I owe so much of who I am to dance and the experiences that I've had, and I just want to share that with all of you.
So, I know dance and everything has like ego to it, and we're trying to look cool and stuff like that, right? But at the end of the day, it should just feel good, right? This right here feels good to me. Like, regardless of if you're mirror or not, you could be out like waiting for the bus, you know what I mean? This thing happens doing the move, but it should feel good. So like, forget that there's a mirror in front of you. That's just to kind of like capture the details. But right now, just like get lost in the music and just like dance. Yeah, let's go.
Alright, so I hope that gives you guys a little bit of a better idea of what to expect from my channel. Again, I really appreciate y'all taking the time to watch this video. Please feel free to leave comments, leave feedback, let me know how I can improve. We'll be going on this journey together as we move forward, and I can't wait to see what comes up. What lays ahead? What's in store? You guys know what I mean. Okay, but seriously, trust me when I say that if y'all stick with me, stay consistent, and keep pushing yourselves to grow, we'll be able to start doing stuff like this.
Hey!